It's Friday and there's some new music out. Tate McRae just dropped a bonus track for her album. It's called Siren Sounds.
Yep, it was just added to her So Close to What album, which we just listened to. So we're going to play an excerpt of this song right now.
I wanna kiss you and I hate you and then leave instead. I wanna kill you, then I call you and say get in my bed. Been a full year now, we both know that it's bound to end. But kinda like just how hard it gets. So stay for the night. It'll bury the crime. Tell me a lie. It'll buy us some time.
I love that subtle background beat. You're just... Ooh.
Descending synth there was cool.
I need you and you don't show up. You can get cocky when you want me and I say I'm done. Been a full year now and we both know it's not good for us. But we both love the smoke in our lungs.
Voice sounds a little different there.
Yeah.
I'm loving the background instruments in this. I feel like they're really telling the story. Wow.
That's nice. That synth part's so good.
Oh!
Okay. Tasty.
Yes.
Yep.
I was hoping for that.
Bring it back.
Wow.
Nice.
Add to playlist.
Yeah, it's crazy that was a bonus track.
That's my favorite.
That was a good one.
That was really good. It was a bit different than the rest of the album so far.
Yeah, her vocal sounded a little bit different.
A little bit different. And I liked it. I was here for it. That was pretty good.
So Siren Sounds, I'm guessing talking more about the world maybe going to crap around us, but we're in love together kind of thing. That's what I was catching. Kind of like dancing in a burning room a little bit, even though that's more about the relationship dying, I think.
It is.
I
mean, that could be the same message here, too.
I guess, yeah.
I suppose you can read it any way you want. We keep living in a burning house.
Like the sirens.
Might be crazy to stick this out.
Okay. So, yeah, I think you're right then. That makes sense. So it's kind of like alarm bells during the relationship.
They're all telling us to get out. That's like the friends on both ends saying, just break up already.
Okay. I like that. That was awesome. Need to hear that again.
Me too.
But first, we got to hear the closer here.
Yeah, that was... Sorry, I'm just still absorbing that song because it took over me. That was so good. I loved everything about it.
Mm-hmm.
Let us know if you guys liked it too.
Yep, and be sure to subscribe to our channel because we did react to this album, and you want to get notified when that drops, so you can listen with us, because there's a lot of bangers on this. I don't want to say what my favorite is yet, but you'll have to watch.
For sure.
All right, appreciate you guys. Talk to you later.
Later.
I wanna kill you, then I call you and say get in my bed. Been a full year now, we both know that it's bound to end.